Alexa,
Move, baby,
stop.
a little bit closer to the tree so you can be in the video. Yeah, right there.
Pepper wants to check it out.
Okay, go ahead.
He wants to know if there's a bone in there for him.
There's not. I think. I don't know.
Where'd you get that at? Was that in the stocking?
Yeah. Gloves.
That gloves,
Yeah.
you can have that gloves and still use your phone. It has like a touch thing, so you can use it. You can use your phone with the gloves on.
Alright.
Very thoughtful.
That's weird though. Oh, it's putty. That's what it is.
Chili putty. Yeah.
Hi, Pepper.
You got that when you were younger. He wants to play. Yeah, you just get him in there for points or whatever.
Oh, okay. I've never seen this before.
Figured it's a gadget that you would like to play with. I know you have one of those, but I figured it's another one.
Hi, Pepper. No Rubik's Cube. Alright. Hi! Back up! Back up.
Play with him, throw something, and see if he's willing to do something here. That's what he thinks he's doing. He's thinking you're wanting to play.
What's this? Oh, wireless earbuds this time.
Yes.
Isn't that what you asked for?
Yeah, I did.
You didn't ask me for it. You must ask somebody else.
Yeah.
You can pair it with your thing and see.
Yeah, both done.
Yeah.
What's this? Oh, it's a wooden flute.
Oh.
It's a wooden flute.
Yeah.
Alright. That's interesting. What's this? Oh, it's like a little mystery box thing, I guess.
I think so. Hi,
I
Pepper.
think so. What's this?
That's Peppers.
This?
That's a harmonica.
It is? Oh yeah, it is. Alright.
He wants to see.
He wants you to play something. He knows you're up to something with being on the floor like this.
It's just like a ball. Little things in it. Okay.
You've had one of those things up before too, I think.
Kind of like a stress,
Alright.
some type of stress ball, right?
Mm-hmm.
I think so. I think it's some type of stress ball.
I don't know. Oh, yeah. I guess it is.
Yeah, it's a stress ball.
I think this is the last thing. It's Peeps. Hot chocolate mix, alright.
It's what?
Hot chocolate mix. Peeps hot
It's-
chocolate mix.
It's oh, throw it.
It's a Christmas gift to you. He doesn't always bring toys.
Throw it away. Alright, open this bag.
Just move these. It says alarm clock on the box.
Let me see. Oh, okay. No, it projects. Like the time would be on your ceiling.
Alright.
It's a projector lamp.
What did,
It's a projector lamp, Daddy. I think it's pretty cool.
yeah. He already has an Alexa.
Just a journal.
Yes.
Alright.
I think it's a really
A
nice
journal. You can write all the
It's like an old.
lessons that you've gotten every day.
Old what?
No, it's like leather. It's like an old.
Old style or something?
Those ones are like sweet. Those are your treats that I wanted to try. No,
Hmm?
that's not it. The other one's there.
Oh.
What is it? Candy canes?
No. This one's I've seen this game before. It's like a puzzle game. You just fiddle
Yeah.
with, I guess.
Yeah. Well, you like puzzles.
Yeah. I do. Nice.
The other treats.
You want hot chocolate cake? What?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah. Treats.
Let me
Yeah.
see that. Sugar junk.
It's hot chocolate.
It's still sugar.
Yeah. Those are just.
French butter cookies, lemon and almond, sea salt and caramel. Alright.
Yes.
Well, thank you.
Yeah. And what kind of game thing do you want? No, the money. You said that you just want stuff for your video games. Is it Roblox still?
Probably Valorant this time.
What?
Probably Valorant this time.
Well, you're gonna have to deal with it. Your mom can deal with it with you.
Yeah, you're gonna show
Buy
us.
it off of Amazon, and then you can put
Is it
your.
something Amazon or not?
You can get it right off the thing there.
Oh, okay.
Well, when you're ready for that, you guys can connect.
Is it like a gift card kind of thing, or you have to pay for it on a website?
You can do both.
Oh, okay.
All right. Well, Merry Christmas, everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Pepper, Merry Christmas.